Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is Sad Little Kiki. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. In the depths of the forest, there was a quiet corner where a lively little mouse named Kiki. Kiki loved to frolic with other small animals on sunny days. However, one day, an unexpected heavy rain changed Kiki's life. The rain poured down, causing the river to flood, and Kiki's nest was washed away. Feeling lonely and helpless without a home, Kiki wandered like a lost leaf in the storm. What was once a bustling little nest now lay in ruins, and Kiki's mood became heavy. Kiki's good friend, the fox, noticed the change in Kiki and approached gently, asking, "Kiki, what's wrong? Why do you look so sad?" Kiki lowered its head and quietly revealed the troubles it was facing. The fox frowned in sympathy. Then, gathering courage, it said, "Kiki, don't worry. We will get through this together. We can build a new nest, a warmer and more comfortable home." So, the fox called upon other small animals, including rabbits, squirrels, and even the solitary cat, who all came to help. They chose a secluded and safe spot and began the construction of the new nest. The first step of the project was to gather various materials. Rabbits and squirrels searched for soft leaves and straw. The cat brought fluffy feathers, and the fox was responsible for selecting sturdy branches and bark. Everyone played their part, working closely together. Then, utilizing their respective skills, they commenced the construction work. The rabbits and squirrels cleverly wove warm bedding. The cat set up clever defense structures around the nest, and the fox ingeniously built the main structure of the nest using bark. The new nest gradually took shape, like a small miracle. The friendship and unity among the small animals peaked during this process. They constructed a warm and safe home with the power of their minds. In the course of this, Kiki's mood also brightened. Once the construction was complete, everyone sat around the nest, looking with satisfaction at this new beginning. Kiki looked at the fox and the other small animals with gratitude. They were not just friends, but also companions who offered help in times of trouble. The nest became everyone's shared home, and we witnessed the beautiful memories of the small animals. Every night, when the stars twinkled through the leaves and shone on the nest, Kiki and its little companions leaned on each other, sharing stories and happiness. This story tells us that even in adversity, with friendship and unity, we can create miracles together. The small animals found their happiness through collective efforts, and Kiki learned to persevere in difficulties because it knew that with sincere friendship and a warm home, any storm would be a brief episode in life.